these are the leaflets of Marsilia. We will be discussing a vertical section, then it is the anatomical feature of this leaflet, what all it contains. This is how it is going to look like. So it contains the epidermis followed by a mesophyll, and we have a vascular bundle in the center. To begin with, the epidermis, it is the outermost surrounding layer. This part, it is the outermost surrounding layer. Here it is differentiated into upper as well as lower epidermis. That is, this is the upper epidermis and lower epidermis. In floating leaflets, that is in case of Marsilia, which are completely hydrophytic in nature, in them stomata is present only in the upper epidermis. Whereas in case of Marsilia quadrifolia, this species is usually found in marshy and damp soils. Here the presence of stomata will be there on both the epidermis, even though they haven't shown here, but both upper as well as lower epidermis consist of stomata. Now speaking about the region just below the epidermis is the widespread region called as mesophyll. Here the mesophyll cells are differentiated as a palisade and spongy parenchyma. These palisade region cells are elongated parenchymatous cells. These cells usually have a presence of chloroplast in them, so they are actively going to carry out the photosynthetic process. Inner to the palisade we have the spongy parenchyma. Here the cells are this spongy only is going to give rise to this aerenchyma. These spongy cells are in the form of loose arrangement, leading to formation of these air chambers. Now these air chambers is called nothing but as aerenchyma. They are separated from each other by this single layered wall or a septa. At the center we are going to have this vascular bundle. Here the vascular bundle is a concentric type. Concentric in the sense the vascular elements, that is phloem or xylem. Either the phloem will be surrounding the xylem or xylem will be surrounding the phloem. Here that's the reason it is called as concentric. Here there are two types of concentric. One is amphivessel, another one is amphicribal. When xylem is at the center and the xylem is surrounded completely on all the sides by the phloem, it is called as amphicribal. When the reverse happen, that is phloem in the center and surrounded by the xylem all over the sides, it will be amphivessel. Here in this case, that is in a petiole of in the leaflet of the Marsilia, we have amphicribal type. That is, at the center we have xylem, which is surrounded on all the sides by the phloem. So in this way we had the epidermis followed by mesophyll and concentric vascular bundle in the center. This is the vertical section of the leaflet of Marsilia.